When my 12-year-old Hitachi cordless drill suddenly stopped working, I bought a replacement because I had to continue working. Now it's time to troubleshoot the Hitachi to figure out if the drill, the batteries, or the charger has failed. The troubleshooting steps shown in this video will help you troubleshoot any cordless drill or another battery-operated power tool. Start troubleshooting with the power source. If one battery doesn't work, try another. If the drill won't run with either battery and you don't have a multimeter, recharge both batteries and try them again. The battery that was in the drill when it quit suddenly didn't slow down a bit to indicate that it just needed to be recharged. I put the other battery in the drill and it didn't work in any of the switch positions. At that point, I didn't have any more time to troubleshoot, and I went and bought a new drill. I'll check the voltage on the second battery that I used with a multimeter. This is a 18 volts DC battery. On the top of the battery, there's a plus and a minus. I've set my multimeter to read volts DC, and I'll place my meter probes on the plus and minus, and I read 4.71 volts. Way too little voltage to run the drill. Let's check the voltage on the battery after it's been charged. I now have 5.17 volts. There's no easy way to check if the Hitachi or DeWalt chargers are working properly. The chargers only put out voltage when there's a battery in place. The charger appears to be working, but because there is no place to put my multimeter leads while the charger is charging, I'm not sure if the battery is bad and won't charge or if the charger is not working. If you have this DeWalt charger, click the battery in place. The battery can be slid into place, and if you don't click it in, the light will still come on, but it may not charge. So make sure you click it. The battery that was in the drill when it stopped working reads 5.18 volts when it is fully discharged. After it's been charged, it reads 19.94 volts. That proves that the charger is working and that this battery is good. And the drill is good. I know that this 12-year-old battery is bad because it won't take a charge. I'll check the voltage on a new 20 volt fully charged DeWalt battery. There's a B plus and a B minus terminal on the battery. My meter leads won't fit in there to reach the contact. I've stripped both ends of 2 pieces of stranded 18 gauge wire. I'll slide them into the B plus and the B minus connectors. I don't recommend inserting anything solid or forcing anything into the terminal connections. You could damage them and the battery may not work with the drill. Batteries are very unforgiving. Do not touch the 2 lead ends together or the lead ends to ground. A fully charged DeWalt 20 volt battery reads about 20.8 or 9 volts. As a rule of thumb, a fully charged good battery should read at least its listed voltage or a volt or 2 above it. While a voltage test is not absolute proof that the battery is good, a reading in the suggested range should at least run the drill momentarily. If the drill is determined to be faulty, Unless it is under warranty or the brushes need to be replaced, it's likely not worth repairing. This drill does have brushes. They are inexpensive. I'll make an additional video to show how to replace them. An armature and pinion set are no longer available for the motor. A new trigger switch is available, but you need to know how to solder to replace it. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos, and thanks for watching.